Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So, right now, Ethereum is actually going up and almost testing that previous resistance of 35.79. We actually broke out of this trading range, came down, retested that 3377 level, and then started popping back up. As of right now, I gotta say, yep, Ethereum is leading 100%. I don't think Bitcoin is not the leader anymore. And if you guys saw my TA, I think from like a couple of days ago, maybe a week ago, I was saying that if Ethereum breaks that trading range and Bitcoin stays around this level or keeps dropping, I do think that Ethereum, obviously it is now, but Ethereum is now leading all over again. Especially if Ethereum breaks that 3579 resistance, then it's basically 100% guaranteed that Ethereum is leading the crypto market. And it's 100. I want to say it's going to stay bullish. I think Ethereum is going to break that 3579 pretty easily. If anything, I mean, I think the worst thing that it can happen is come back, is actually like touch the 3579. Whoops. So then the worst that can happen is it actually touches that line of 3579 and comes back to like retest somewhere around this previous trend that it's been had, and then jumps up, or straight up it just kind of goes from here, or straight up it just kind of goes it just goes up from there, right? So I really don't see Ethereum dumping. Everything looks completely bullish. Even on the weekly, you have that stronger bullish candle to the upside right here on the weekly that just got created, or that's getting created because we haven't closed the weekly yet. The 4 hour, I don't. I mean, the 4 hour looks like it's about to go bearish, but I think there's too much momentum to the upside on Ethereum for this to actually affect it. Um, Shorter time frame, yeah. I mean, you can tell right here, right? So you actually had a bear trigger back at like 3 in the morning where it started, and all we're really doing right now is just kind of trading sideways. So I really doubt that. I really doubt that there's a dump coming on Ethereum, especially right now after every single bear trigger, it's either been canceled or it's just kind of trading sideways. Because I mean, at this bear trigger here, it actually just completely shot up hard to the upside, right? Um, so yeah, I think Ethereum is. I think Ethereum is leading right now. It's kind of obvious, but I don't want to actually say. I mean, I don't want to say that it's leading 100% just because it hasn't crossed that 3579 level. This could be just a random bull push, and then it comes completely down, crushing. It comes like crashing down, and it starts trading around the same level as what Bitcoin is, right? Um, like I said, everything's looking really bullish for Ethereum. There's no way that I would think that Ethereum's going down. On the other hand, I still think Bitcoin, if it keeps doing what it is, I think I might still short Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin does not look good. Again, it just kind of keeps trailing sideways. It needs to have a push to the upside in order for it to change my mind. But as soon as, if in 4 days and 11 hours it closes bearish, there's a really, really, really strong chance that it's going to actually, come down to 45, possibly to $40,000. The day is about to actually break to the bull side, so I want to see what happens when we actually create another bull trigger. If you're going to see another run up like this, and Bitcoin to touch like 52K again. I am planning on shorting, but I do still want to wait for that weekly to close bearish. If it doesn't close bearish and there's like a brand new bull candle that gets created, then I'm not even going to touch Bitcoin or short any crypto, right? It really just depends on what the confirmation is. But Ethereum is looking great. Ethereum is looking like it's leading all over again, and Ethereum was leading in the first place. Ethereum was leading from our initial. Actually, let me just get to a higher time frame. So Ethereum was actually leading since the initial jump, right? Like for like 99% of this, Ethereum was leading, and then when you actually had that 2800 mark break, that's when you saw Bitcoin push higher and then just kind of stay sideways, while Ethereum just kind of started trading like an upward sideways movement, and then just now broke out. So, we gotta wait and see. That 3579 needs to be broken in order for me to think that Ethereum is actually leading. Otherwise, if it doesn't break that resistance, it's just gonna come right back down to somewhere like this level here. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.